Good afternoon, members of the media, Trinidad and Tobago. I join with the Honourable Prime Minister and the Honourable Minister of National Security in offering my sincerest condolences to the families who are affected by these latest atrocious crimes. When we came into office, the Honourable Prime Minister mandated the Attorney General and myself to make all efforts to assist the criminal justice system in operating in a more efficient manner. And as part of that operation, we found out that there were 2 purpose-built rooms for the use of audio and visual recording facilities for the interviewing of potential witnesses and also persons who are accused. And when we set about trying to find out why these audio and visual recording facilities were not being utilized, we quickly realized that we needed to take conduct of these operations. And on Tuesday, the 19th of January, which was this Tuesday, the National Security Council took a decision that we were going to immediately take steps to outfit these audio and visual recording rooms and to provide the necessary training of police officers to use these facilities, and we have already begun doing so. We've reached out to the suppliers yesterday, the decision only being taken on Tuesday, and we're moving forthwith to add this to the criminal justice system as the first step in freeing up the system. What this, of course, does, it allows witnesses who are being interviewed by the police and statements that are being taken by the police services to be recorded both visually and audially. And of course, you can immediately see the effects of this on a criminal trial, in that it is no longer a paper statement where defense attorneys may argue that their clients were giving statements under duress, etc., because everything will now be recorded via video and audio, thus eradicating a lot of the potential arguments at the prosecution stage. It also frees up a lot of time at the preliminary inquiry stage, because again, it eradicates a number of potential defense arguments. This is one of the steps that was immediately taken. Another one I'm pleased to report on is on the video conferencing from remand yard to the magistrate's court. We are working expeditiously on that. Both the Attorney General and the Minister of National Security visited the prison facilities earlier this week and then reported to the National Security Council, and we hope to have those facilities up and running in the second quarter of this year. That would be another strand towards the assisting of the criminal justice system becoming a more efficient one. We are in active conversation with the Chief Justice of Trinidad and Tobago in pushing through a number of other measures which we believe would facilitate a more efficient criminal justice system. The National Security Council, in the few short months that it has been at work, has taken a number of decisions that will become known to the public as we go forward in boosting the criminal justice system and also our intelligence gathering. The other item that was at the forefront this week, of course, is the simplification of the appointment of a Commissioner of Police. And I'd just like to go on record once again as saying, despite what you have been told over the past 2 days, these orders are now law. These legal notices are now fully the law of Trinidad and Tobago. And the Minister of National Security will be moving towards the requesting, and this is the only participation by the executive in the process, requesting of the Police Service Commission that the procedure be commenced for the appointment of a permanent Commissioner of Police. The emphasis is on the fact that the executive plays no role in the process other than making a request of the Police Service Commission to commence the procedure, and it is the Police Service Commission who will be contracting with whoever the firm is going to be chosen by them to go forward with this process. So we are working on a number of initiatives with respect to the criminal justice system in combating the fight of crime, against crime at that level. Thank you.